continue this morning and in diminish during the afternoon hours. Locations include Sabre Lake impacts. Snow could cause travel delays and possible road closures above 6,000 feet. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 1:45 p.m. for central Fresno, west central Tulare, and northeastern Kings counties. At 1:08 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar continued to indicate a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located northeast of Lemoore, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Another thunderstorm was located northeast of Hanford and had produced pea-sized hail into funnel cloud. The National Weather Service in Hanford has issued a significant weather advisory for central Fresno County in central California, north central Kings County in central California, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:34 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm 12 miles northwest of Lemoore moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hail up to the size of pennies is expected with this storm. Locations impacted include Naval Air Station Lemoore, rural central Fresno County, rural northern Kings County, rural northeastern Kings County. If threatening weather approaches your area, take shelter in a sturdy building. The National Weather Service in Hanford has issued a winter weather advisory above 6,000 feet for snow, which is in effect until 4 p.m. this afternoon for the Tulare County mountains. Snow accumulations from 4 to 8 inches above 7,000 feet and 2 to 4 inches down to near 5,500 feet. Timing. Snow will continue this morning and then diminish during the afternoon hours. Locations include Lodgepole, Ponderosa, Giant Forest, Grand Grove impacts. Snow could cause travel delays and possible road closures above 6,000 feet. Central Fresno, west central Tulare, and northeastern Kings counties. At 1:40 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar continued to indicate a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located northeast of Lemoore, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Another thunderstorm was located northeast of Hanford and had produced pea-sized hail into funnel cloud. The National Weather Service in Hanford has issued a winter weather advisory above 6,000 feet for snow. In effect until 4 p.m. this afternoon for the Tulare County mountains. Snow accumulations from 4 to 8 inches above 7,000 feet.
This is my area right here. Looks like probably a phone call.
Locations include Lodgepole, Ponderosa, Giant Forest, Grand Grove impacts. Snow could cause travel delays and possible road closures above 6,000 feet. A winter weather advisory above 6,000 feet remains in effect until 4 p.m. this afternoon for the southern Sierra Nevada from Yosemite to Kings Canyon. Snow accumulations from 4 to 8 inches above.
Okay, so we're gonna wait for the EAS for the TV. So we got 14 minutes, and I don't think the EAS is going to be going on. So I'm going to show you how did this storm happen. This is the radar. Okay, this is, okay, it's the same warning. This is the same thing where, and we got another one. Let's see what time it remains in effect. Till 1:45. So we got a new message. Let's see what it says. For extreme northwestern Tulare, that's not where I live. Northeastern Kings counties, that's where I live. At 1:23. Okay, that's a new time. Says Doppler radar continue to indicate. Severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter size. Northeast of Lamar. Located near Hanford. That's where I live. We're near Hanford. Moving east at 12. Okay. What about the weather radio?
Lodgepole.
I can hear that thunder. Oh no, let's go to the backyard. Look. So as you can hear the sky one. Yeah, you can't get
This afternoon for the
sky
County
one.
Mountains. Snow it.
Yeah, you can't get anything with the sky one. Alright, let's go back to the radar. And we'll show you how did this happen. Okay, looks like very heavy rain. Now, when I was at school, there was, whatever you call it, there was very, very extreme rain. And it was raining super hard at school today. So we're going to check the animated radar map. And it is a strong thunderstorm with all these red dots over here. Severe. Oh, it hit us real good. So usually right here, and pretty much all of us right here. So this is where I usually live, and it's the same morning again. So usually I live kind of like right there, possibly, and now it looks like we issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Now the precipitation, that's pretty much where I live at. But yeah, I in a severe thunderstorm warning right now, but we're just keeping you updated as soon as possible, and it's kind of still there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of still there with this thunderstorm warning. cities are affected, which is Armona, Avenel, Buckton, Willow, Corcoran, Fellows, Hanford, there's my city, Kettleman City, Lemoore at Maryville Air Station, Lost Hills, Macoupah, McKettrick, Stratford, Taft, and Wakuka. Now, we have a storm report that has been issued right now. People have, law enforcement issued 4 miles north of Hanford, Kings County, hail up to 125-inch, reported by the National Weather Service employee. And then at 1 p.m. from Hanford at Kings County, says a funnel cloud was reported by law enforcement seen from northeast side of town by county sheriff and deputy near Grangeville. And hail up to 25, no, we just got that from the employee, but it is a different time from 11 to 12:45. So, oh, I'm sorry, it's not. Okay, so it's 12:11, and it says 12:45. But yeah, it looks like things are going to clear out right now, so I'm glad that this is ending right now. I'm just glad that, because whenever I got picked up, I was rubbing my girlfriend off, and usually this is where the severe weather is coming in, and that's the same morning again. So, as you can see, we got some tornado watches in effect, and yeah, this one is pretty much disappearing. I'm going to look at the radar, see if it cleared for my area. This is usually what they said. And I'm going to look at the radar map and see if it's still happening over there. So severe. And it's still going on. I'm going to look at a zoom in right there. And show severe. Yep, and it's still impacted with us, so it's usually right here is not where I usually go. So I'm going to see if I can zoom out and see if my address is right there. No, you can't see it, but anyways, the severe thunderstorm warning is usually right here, here in Kings County for Hanford and Armona and Lemoore Naval Air Station. So this is what they said for severe thunderstorm warning. So we're waiting on an update from new messages from the National Weather Service, and we're waiting for any emergencies that have been issued. But now I'm being told that there is some dangerous clouds right now. So there is a severe thunderstorm warning. It is about to expire, so we'll let you see the weather radio of expiring.
A winter weather advisory above 6,000 feet remains in effect until 4 p.m. this afternoon for the southern Sierra Nevada from Yosemite to Kings Canyon. Snow accumulations from 4 to 8 is about 6,000 feet and 2 to 4 inches down to near 5,500 feet. Timing. Snow will continue this morning and then diminish during the afternoon hours. Locations include favorable impacts. Snow could cause travel delays and possible road closures about 6,000 feet. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 1:45 p.m. for central Fresno, extreme northwestern Tulare, and northeastern Kings counties. At 1:23 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar continued to indicate a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. The storm has moved northeast of Lemoore. This storm was located near Hanford due northeast, or near Hanford, moving east at 12 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in Hanford has issued a winter weather advisory about 6,000 feet for snow, which is in effect until 4 p.m. this afternoon for the Tulare County Mountains. Snow accumulations from 4 to 8 inches above 7,000 feet, and 2 to 4 inches down to near 5,500 feet. The National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Fresno County in central California, northeastern Kings County in central California, the city of Hanford, extreme west central Tulare County in central California, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:33 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located 7 miles north of Lemoore, or 7 miles northwest of Hanford, and moving east at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near 9 miles south of Kingsburg by 1:55 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. In Hanford, as the winter weather will normally be about 6,000 feet for snow, which is in effect until 4 p.m. this afternoon.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. That was a signal.
The National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Fresno County in central California, northeastern Kings County in central California, the city of Hanford, extreme west central Tulare County in central California, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:33 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located 7 miles north of Lemoore, or 7 miles northwest of Hanford, and moving east at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near 9 miles south of Kingsburg by 1:55 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows.
So a severe thunderstorm warning for your area right now, and we're keeping you updated as soon as we did get a warning that has been issued for the TV alert, but yeah, we are still keeping you updated as soon as possible, but we have a new warning. So this is our weather channel for EAS fans only. For any warnings I haven't issued for my area, I will keep you updated as soon as possible, and when the warning ends. So ladies and gentlemen, we have a new warning for your area. So I'm going to let this
Snow accumulation.
As you heard on the TV, it's the same thing, but it'll just keep warnings and warnings and warnings and warnings and warnings. They'll keep repeating it. So anyways, you'll wait for the weather radio to go off as we have a new warning, and we'll show you exclusive footage at the backyard right now as soon as possible by 1:55.
The Local Softly Radar. radar. The local Southland radar. The local Southland radar. The local Southland radar.
A winter weather advisory.
Ladies and gentlemen, we just looked at the backyard right now, and it is very dangerous outside, so very, very deadly clouds, and they are severely black. But after this part 2 of this next video, there is dangerous clouds. So we're still keeping you updated as soon as 30 minutes ends for YouTube. So we did get issued by a TV EAS alert, so we're going to show you. And my computer always does this, so I have to turn off the monitor. And do that again. But anyways, so we have more coverage. During this severe weather, we will always do this for a full one. So we're always keeping you updated. We're going to show severe now. This is the same one, but I clicked refresh. But there we go. Now, we have a new warning, and now it has hit Lemoore. Now, usually we are going to check the animated map. And this is how it showed severe. And we have this severe thunderstorm, and it's coming right from here all the way to Kingsburg from Lemoore. all the way to Hanford. So let's check the severe weather map, and you can see as it's just rising up. Anyways, here in the U.S. there is a fire weather advisory and high wind advisory, tornado watch, and there's all the things up there. So anyways, we're going to listen to the weather radio from California, but I can't get anything I can get right now here in California, so I can't get Fresno's channel for Hanford to go and get some severe weathers. Well, anyways, it is almost 30 minutes, and we're going to show you part 2 of the clouds and more severe weather updates as soon as this ends in a little bit. So right now, Fresno is telling me that it is 54 and it's mostly cloudy, so it's getting a little bit sunny. But here in the windows, you can see it's yeah, it's getting dark. So anyways, this storm is coming in, so we're going to take you to the backyard right now. Severe thunderstorm warning right now, and we have more coverage from the law enforcement, so we are not really sure if the thunderstorm is going to have a funnel cloud. So we're going to take you to the front angle of this. These severe clouds are getting deadly, and we're going to the backyard, and we're going to take you right now. Let me get my sandals on, and we're going to take you to the backyard. First, let me turn this off because my sister gets on there. Okay, so right here, as you can see, these clouds are getting deadly. As you can see right here, this one's a deadly cloud. Usually they are. And then there's more coming from right here, and they are just like forming. And usually there's a lot coming through, and it's starting to sprinkle. See you.